Welcome to Matuto Dapat YouTube channel, where math and Bible lessons were discussed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, write the comments, and share. And don't forget to push the bell button for notification. Okay, our next topic for probability and statistics is the Bernoulli distribution. So, this is Professor Engineer Eduardo Tapia, your professor of this subject. Okay? So we discussed already different kind of distributions. We have the hypergeometric, the binomial distribution, the Poisson distribution. Now we have another kind of distribution is the Bernoulli distribution. Okay, the Bernoulli distribution applies to an experiment with only two possible outcomes. Okay, the success and failures. Okay. So let P is the success, or the probability of success is small p, and the probability of failure is Q, or 1 minus P. Okay, so dalawa ang ating magiging X value, no? It's either 0 or 1. 0 kapag failure, 1 kapag success, no? So examples ng application ng Bernoulli distribution is the pass or fail. So dalawa lang naman ang nag-take ka ng exam. It's either you pass or you fail. Yes or no, mga tawag natin mga dichotomous questions. Success or failure. Okay? Defective or non-defective. Heads or tails sa pag-tossing of coin. Correct or incorrect. Okay? So that's mga two possible outcomes. Okay? So the expected value equals P. So kung ano yung magiging given probability, yun na po yung expected value natin. And the variance ay P times 1 minus P, or that is P times Q. Okay? Since Q is 1 minus P. Example 1. A student has 70% probability of answering a particular question correctly. Okay? So, X equals 1 is success and 0 ay failure. So, ang probability natin that this student answered the test, okay, or the question correctly ay 0.70. So, ang expected value natin ay 0.70. Okay, ang variance natin ay sigma square is equal to P times 1 minus P, or that is 0.70 times 1 minus 0.70, or that is 0.30 times 0.70. Ang variance natin ay 0.21. Okay? Now, the standard deviation, of course, the standard deviation is the square root of the variance. So, the variance na, standard deviation now is 0.46 kasi ang ating variance ay 0.21. Okay? So, ito po yung ating analysis. Therefore, the student has a possibility of 70% answer the question correctly with a standard deviation of 0.46. Okay, so yung probability natin na makakuha siya ng tamang sagot doon sa pagsagot ng mga questions ay 70%. Pero mayroon po tayong standard deviation na 0.46. Example 2, a student has 80% probability of passing an examination. So, probability ay 0.80. Ang Q natin is 1 minus 0.80 or 0.20. So, the probability distribution, so we have the outcome, that is 0 is fail. Probability natin ay 20.20. 1 or pass, and probability natin ay 0.80. So, expected value ay 0.80. Okay? Variance natin ay P times Q, 0.80 times 0.20. Okay, so that is 0.16. That is our variance. Then our standard deviation, okay, the square root of 0.16, that is 0.40. Okay, therefore the student has a possibility of 80% passing the examination with standard deviation of 0.40. Now, standard deviation, yan po yung spread natin from the mean, no? So, kung 70%, no, 0.80, so plus minus po tayo ng 0.40. Okay? Standard deviation is plus or minus doon sa ating mean. Example 3. A factory produces an electronic components. The probability that a randomly selected component is defective is 0.05. So, ang defective ay 0.05. Yun yung probability natin, 0.05. Therefore, ang not defective or Q natin ay 0.95. So, probability natin, so not defective o 0 is 0.95. Ang defective 1, and that is 0.05. Yun yung probability natin. So, expected value, therefore, ay 0.05. So, ang ating variance now ay 0.05 times 0.95. Okay, that is P times Q. So, ang ating variance ay 0.0475. And the standard deviation ay sigma times the sigma square or the square root of the variance, okay, is equal to the square root of 0.0475. The answer ng ating standard deviation ay 0.2179. Okay, so therefore the probability of obtaining a defective component is only 5%. Okay, while the probability of obtaining a non-defective component is 95%. So medyo maliit lang naman, 5% na yung napili natin o yung electronic products na yun ay defective or not defective. So ang pag defective siya, 5% lang yung chance na yung napili ay defective, no? Example 4, a salesperson has 40% probability of making a sale during a particular customer interaction. So ang probability natin ay 0.40, ang Q natin ay 0.60. So probability distribution, 0 ay yung walang sale ay 0.60, mayroong sale ay 0.40. So ang ating expected value 0.40, variance natin ay sigma square is PQ, that is 0.40 times 0.60, that is 0.24. That is our variance. Standard deviation natin ay the square root of 0.24 ay 0.4899. So therefore the expected value is 0.40. So yun po yung ating expected value. Meaning that the long run proportion of successful sales is expected to be about 40%. No? So kung makakuha siya ng sale ulit doon sa isang customer, yung salesperson na to ay 40% yung probability. Okay? Na ibig sabihin, ma-close niya yung deal. No? So, these are your activity to answer. Yan. So, you have 5 questions here. Okay? A pair coin is toss once. Compute the possibility of getting head. Analyze the result. So, alam naman natin, pag coins ay dalawa lang yon, no? So, pass head or tail. Number 2, a machine has a probability of 0.90 of operating correctly on a given day. Find the complete Bernoulli distribution, expected value, variance, and the standard deviation. Analyze the result. Number 3, the sales agent has the possibility of getting a close deal of 75% for the new client. Then you have to find the complete Bernoulli distribution, expected value, variance, standard deviation. Number 4, a student has 75% of passing the final exam. Find the complete Bernoulli distribution, expected value, standard variance, standard deviation, analyze the result. Number 3, the probability of getting a king in a single draw of card is 0.08. Find the complete Bernoulli distribution, expected value, variance, and the standard deviation. Analyze the result. Okay, so yun po yung atin pong lesson sa oras po na ito. And I hope you learn from this topic. Okay, thank you very much and God bless you.